Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you what is methane gas and how it affects our atmosphere. So let's get started. Now I'm going to tell you what is methane gas. It is a gas that is flammable. It is a gas that is found in small quantities in the atmosphere. It is a very powerful greenhouse gas. It has no smell nor any color. Now I'm going to tell you how do we use methane gas. We use it as a fuel to make heat and light. It is used to manufacture organic chemicals. It is used in automobiles such as cars. Electricity uses methane gas. Now let's see how methane gas affects our atmosphere. It is the main contributor to the formation of ground level ozone. It is a hazardous air pollutant along with greenhouse gas. It is 80 times more potent at warming than carbon dioxide. It makes global warming faster. The methane gas all of a sudden went high in 2020 and 2021. As you can see in the chart, the methane gas went from low to very high. Thanks for watching this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video. See you in my next video. Bye.